Okay, we've let this set up overnight. We got a good bond on it now. I've also added 1 5/8" screws in here. This just helps to keep it together more. So what we want to do is we have to take this back piece off. So you got to be sure you mark your pieces, your left side. You got to mark it here and here, and the right side here and here. Make as many notes as you need to. Okay, this is our left side. This is going to be our right side. So what we do is we're going to put this up here and line it up to where it goes. We'll draw a line across here. This is where we have to cut this off. This is our left side, which is going to go on here after we did get that done. And this one will go on here. And then this will be screwed on the back of the head, and you can take this on and off if you ever have to get inside to make repairs. So we're going to cut this off here. Then I'm going to take my sander and I'm going to sand this down, smooth it down some, outside and in, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.